All right, everybody. This is Ronnie James the Spot, and today I want to do something different. I'm going to try my first unboxing of the Ncredebile One headphones. All right, so here they are. Now let's check out the specs on these bad boys. Up to 15 hours of listening time, 4.0 technology. Like I said, that's pretty good. Built-in rechargeable battery. I mean, you can talk on the phone on these bad boys and everything. Now, a guy asked me the other day, how's the cancellation out on these things? The canceling noise. I told him it was fairly pretty good because I had a pair before, and the one thing I did wrong with those headphones was I never put them back in the case. I always threw them in my backpack after I left the gym, and they just rolled around and got destroyed. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out. Okay. Got instructions. That's pretty much it. We don't need instructions for nothing these days. So here it is. Nice little durable case. Cool. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. See the packaging. That's nice. You got that well secured. All white cables. That's cool. I like that. And we'll try to do a review on these later. That's pretty much it, the unboxing. I gotta get the plastic on these. Look at that. Oh, these are King Supreme right here. These are only $59.99 on Amazon or at T-Mobile. Oh, these bad boys are hidden. Soft cushion, plastic. The emblem just pop out. Cushion right there. All right, everybody. Well, that's it. It was Ncredebile One headphones. Look like a re-release to me. These bad boys, lightweight, cool. I like them. So that'll be it, everybody. So hit the like button or the dislike button, either one. Let me know y'all watched it and enjoyed it.